Hi beautiful souls, Denise here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about something that holds a lot of people back from starting or continuing their meditation practice. The myths surrounding meditation. So these myths can make it seem more complicated or intimidating than it really is. But I'm here to help clear things up and show you how meditation can easily fit into your life. So the first and perhaps most common myth is that you have to completely clear your mind or think of absolutely nothing to meditate correctly. Sounds impossible, right? That's because it is. Trying to think of nothing actually requires you to engage your mind even more. The truth is, thoughts are natural. They come and go like clouds in the sky. Meditation isn't about forcing your mind to be blank. It's about allowing those thoughts to pass without getting attached to them. So instead of pushing thoughts away, simply observe them. Imagine them like clouds floating by or leaves on a river. You don't need to react or judge. Just let them be there and then return to your breathing. You can even try focusing on a mantra, your breath, or a sound in the background. The goal here is not to clear the mind, but to bring yourself gently back to the present moment while allowing whatever is going on around you. Another myth is that falling asleep during meditation means you're not doing it correctly. But guess what? Falling asleep is completely normal, especially if you're stressed or tired. When we meditate, our body and mind often release stress, and that can sometimes lead to sleep. Meditation is about listening to your body, so if it needs rest, let it have that. But if your goal is to stay awake and alert during meditation, there are some tricks that you can try. Try meditating at a time when you're more alert, like in the morning rather than late at night. If you feel drowsy during meditation, focus on taking deeper breaths to energize your body, or open your eyes slightly to stay grounded in the present moment. But again, if you go to sleep, that's probably what your body needs at that time. Now this is a big one. I'm too busy to meditate. I hear it all the time, but here's the truth. Meditation doesn't require you to sit for hours on end. In fact, just 5 minutes a day can make a world of difference. Meditation isn't about finding huge chunks of time. It's about making small, intentional moments throughout your day. Just like you reboot your phone or computer to reset it, meditation resets your mind and body so that you can be more productive, focused, and calm. So start with just 5 minutes. Set a timer and sit quietly. Even if you're busy, you'll find that 5 minutes of meditation makes the rest of your day feel more manageable. Incorporate mindfulness into everyday tasks. Washing dishes, walking, or even brushing your teeth can become moments of mindfulness. If you bring your attention to the present, be fully present with what you're doing, and just be there in the moment. Really focus on what you're doing. Another common myth is that meditation will make you feel spaced out or disconnected from reality. But that's not what meditation does at all. In fact, it does the opposite. Meditation develops focus and clarity. It teaches us how to be more present in our everyday lives. When we meditate, we train ourselves to experience life as it is, without judgment, without overwhelm, and without feeling spaced out. Instead of seeing meditation as zoning out, think of it as tuning in. You're not retreating from life, you're preparing yourself to engage with it more fully and with a clearer mind. Ground yourself after meditation by noticing how your body feels, taking a few deep breaths and consciously bringing yourself back into the moment. And maybe also having a glass of water or stamping your feet. And finally, there is the myth that you should always feel calm during and after meditation. But sometimes meditation can bring up emotions like sadness, anger, or frustration. This doesn't mean you're doing it wrong. It means that you're human. Meditation is a space where whatever is present inside of you is allowed to rise to the surface. It's a time for healing, release, and self-awareness. And that isn't always calm or serene. If difficult emotions arise during a meditation, just acknowledge them without judgment. Remind yourself that these emotions are a part of the process and just let them be. Focus on your breath to anchor yourself when emotions feel overwhelming. Simply witness them and return to your breathing. And if it all feels too much, you can just simply stop what you're doing and meditate at a later time. So there you are, you have it. 5 common myths about meditation, completely debunked. Remember, meditation isn't about perfection. It's a practice that evolves with you. Whether you're just starting out or have been meditating for years, these myths can sometimes sneak in and make you feel like you're doing something wrong. Meditation is simply about showing up for yourself, moment by moment. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of what meditation is and isn't. Please subscribe if this resonates, and if you'd like to dive deeper, check out my guided meditations on YouTube or the app Insight Timer, where I also run free live meditation classes. I'll put the link below. You can also check out my website for more resources. So until next time, be kind, curious, and dream big.